In this video, I explained about the slice method, this array slicing method. So array slicing method is nothing but it returns parts of a string. Okay, if you want to get some slice of a string, some part of a string, you have to use this array slicing method. So the syntax is here. Slice means it's three parameters: start parameter, end parameter, and state parameter. Start parameter optional is starting of the index. End parameter is the end of the index, or any integer number you can specify at which position to end of the slicing. To end the slicing, and step is an optional argument that determines the increment between each index for slicing. Okay. If you want alternate characters, you have to use this step parameter. Okay, starting index, number integer any index, step means alternate. If you want alternate index characters, you have to use this step parameter. Okay, colon start colon and colon step colon. Okay, array slicing method you can use in another way also. You can use slicing methods like in array constructors also you can use it. Okay, but this is the common way. Sample progress we'll see. So what's the this index starts from the left to right here. Yes, strings have the index type here. Uh, Observe here. Strings have the index type here. Observe here. This is string here. A string here. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 left to right. Okay. String left to right. So if you want from right to left means if you want last character means if you want from the right to left means here -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, like this one. But the right to left starts from the 0 and left right starts from the -1. Okay, just remember this one. Okay, 0 to 6 here. Okay, strings are 0 to 6 and here -1 to -7. From the negative, if you want negative last one character, last two characters means you have to use this -1, -2, -3. Okay, last character is a -1 here. Okay, simple. So we'll see with an example. We'll get idea. Okay, remember start colon, end colon, step colon. Start colon optional. It's a starting integer number specifying at which position to start the slicing, and is a integer number specifying at which position to end the slicing. Okay, starting slicing and end of number. You have to mention the integer number there. So this okay, we'll see with the example. This is a sample string x equal python. Take x equal python, and we will do some slicing here. Okay, suppose x is equal to x. Okay, I want only first two characters. Okay, I want only first two characters py. So for that you have to use 0, starting index 0. Index 0 means p and ending means 2. Okay, 2 and -1 here. Okay, 0 to 1. 0 1 is py. Okay, 0 to 2 p. Observe here output py. I want first three characters. Simple, 0 to 3. Okay, 0 colon 3. Starting index, ending index here. Okay, p by t. Okay, and I want four characters 0 to 4. Okay, you can eliminate this. If you 0 is optional, but you can eliminate the 0. Still, you will get the same thing. Okay? P by t here. Okay, if you want first two characters means. So if it is 0, you can eliminate that. If it is not 0, you cannot eliminate it. Okay, py here. Okay, same thing. So next thing, I don't want first character. I don't want p. I don't p. I want rest of all characters. Okay, I don't want this p character. I want to output rest of characters. For that, you can use here one colon. Okay, one is starting index 0 1. Okay, strings are index 0 1. So from 1 to the end. If you don't mention any string here, default it takes the end of the string here. Okay, see yth1. I don't want first two characters means two colon. Okay, thyn. Okay, first three characters same thing. Okay, like that. And next thing, I want I want to only last character -n. For that, you have to use -1 here. Okay, negative -1 colon. Starting SB minus colon means it returns last character. I want last two characters. Just use -2. Okay, okay, observe it. Okay, so like that. And also, I want alternative characters. Okay, Y, H, and for that, you have to use step argument here. Okay, and colon step argument -1 or 2, not -1, 2. Okay, 2 means default it takes 1. If you want alternate argument, alternate strings here, so Y, H, and okay, you have to mention step argument as 2 here. Okay, PT. Okay, if you mention step argument 3 means it returns pH, okay? It skips the YTN and use third argument output here. Okay? I want reverse harvesting. So reverse harvesting, instead of in step argument, you have to mention -1 if you want to reverse harvesting there. Okay, and go T by H by, okay? Alternate reverse harvesting, just use -2 in the step parameter. Okay, right? And I want character, first character and the last character. I want to remove first character and the last character. Simply, if you want to remove first character, I told you as mentioned, start parameter is 1 and end parameter is -1. Simple. YTHO, okay? I want to remove last on two characters also. Last two characters also. 1 -2. Okay, YTH. I want to remove first two characters. 2 and last one character, -1. PH, okay? So like that. Slice function, slice parameter, slice method, okay? So you just practice these different scenarios, slice method, so that so many programs are there. So easy, so that you can easily can do the different tasks, okay? That's it.